It is a large group company specializing in the research, development, production, sales and service of motorcycles, electric tricycles, new energy vehicles, and their parts. The company is located in Linyi City, the logistics capital of China, with convenient export traffic. The group's modern factory has 4 major automotive-grade processes: stamping, welding, painting, and final assembly. The product has obtained China's National Compulsory Product Certification, ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, Design Patent Certificate, Utility Model Patent Certificate, and the People's Republic of China's Special Equipment Manufacturing License. It is an electric vehicle production that has obtained the World Manufacturer Identification Code Certificate Enterprise. The high-cost performance and brand advantages are one of the main transportation vehicles for passengers and cargo in urban and rural residents in China. At the same time, the products have been exported to Japan, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, and other countries and regions. We are committed to strict quality control and attentive customer service. With experienced technical engineers, we can discuss your requirements at any time and ensure full customer satisfaction. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether you choose current products from our catalog or customize personalized products, you can discuss your purchasing requirements with our customer service center.